Toolbox talk, hurry up can hurt. People who race on the job marked with cuts, bruises, and bandages. There are places to race and places not to race. Speed belongs on the race course, in the workplace. Almost everyone has been guilty of speeding through a job. We forget until it's too late that hurry up can hurt. In just about every instance, hurrying on the job does not do much to increase productivity. Usually, it is simply an easy way to get a job done, gets a tough job out of the way, or try to get off the job as soon as possible. When we hurry on the job, we accomplished little more than to increase our chances to an unsafe act happening. Let's look at some hurry up acts. Which ones have you caught yourself doing? Didn't wear safety glasses because the job would only take a few minutes. Used the wrong ladder because the proper one was too far away. Didn't use proper lockout procedures because you could fix it yourself and wouldn't have to bother anyone else. Took a shortcut between machinery or stockpiles of materials. Used wrench instead of a hammer because your hammer was in the toolbox on the other side of the room. Climbed a ladder with tools stuck in your pocket or in your hand because you didn't have a tool belt. Cut the grounding prong off a three-way ground wire plug because you didn't have an adapter. Removed a guard to repair your machine or for a special run, but haven't got around to putting it back yet. Reached just a little bit further on the ladder so you didn't have to get down and move it. Didn't unplug a power tool before making adjustments because you would only have to plug it in again. Used a dull saw for just one more cut. Gave the forklift truck just a little more pedal so you could get one more load before lunch. Incomplete scaffold brace because one of the braces was missing. Laid a board with nails with the intention of bending the nails over in a minute. Didn't slow down this time on blind corner because you never saw anyone there before. The list is endless. Do they sound familiar? Too familiar. Sometimes when you hurry, nothing bad happens. Other times there may be near misses, but eventually, a serious injury will occur. It is only a matter of time. Is it really worth your eyesight, your limbs, or even your life to save those few minutes? When hurrying on the job, we don't end up the work, you just speed up your chances of an accident. Hurry up can hurt.